This video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Prince Edward Island, Canada. 1. Prince Edward Island National Park. Start your PEI adventure at the breathtaking Prince Edward Island National Park, a 42-kilometer stretch of protected coastline on the island's north shore. This park is a haven of sandy beaches, red sandstone cliffs, rolling dunes, and lush forests. You can hike scenic trails, swim in the warm waters of the Gulf of St. Lawrence, and keep an eye out for wildlife like red foxes and the endangered piping plover. The park is not just a natural treasure, it is also home to the literary landmark of Green Gables Heritage Place. You can easily spend a full day exploring its many sections, from the famous Cavendish Beach to the serene Dalvey by the sea. Pack a picnic and enjoy the stunning coastal views. This park is the crown jewel of the island's outdoors. 2. Green Gables Heritage Place. Step into the world of a beloved red-haired orphan at Green Gables Heritage Place in Cavendish. This National Historic Site is the farmhouse that inspired Lucy Maud Montgomery's classic novel, Anne of Green Gables. You can tour the home, which is lovingly restored with period furniture to look just as Anne would have remembered it. Walk the famous Haunted Woods and Lover's Lane trails that wind through the 110 hectares of fields and woodland. The Visitor Center has an excellent museum that explores Montgomery's life and literary legacy. For fans of the book, this is a pilgrimage site. For everyone else, it is a charming step into a timeless story of imagination and hope. It is a must-see for any visitor to Cavendish. 3. Charlottetown Historic District. Head to the charming capital city of Charlottetown to walk through the birthplace of the Canadian Confederation. The historic downtown is a beautifully preserved district of Victorian-era buildings and red brick architecture. You can take a guided walking tour to learn about the 1864 Charlottetown Conference, which laid the foundation for Canada's creation. Visit Province House, the National Historic Site where the conference took place, and admire its stunning design, currently undergoing restoration. The nearby Confederation Center of the Arts offers world-class theater, including the long-running musical Anne of Green Gables, the musical trademark. The city is also filled with unique shops, art galleries, and fantastic restaurants. 4. Cycle the Confederation Trail. One of the best ways to see the island is to bike the Confederation Trail. This 470-kilometer multi-use trail follows the path of a former railway, winding through pastoral farmlands, charming villages, and scenic riverfronts. The trail is crushed gravel and mostly flat, making it perfect for a family adventure or a relaxing afternoon ride. You can rent a bike in Charlottetown or other towns along the way. The trail is part of the Trans-Canada Trail and is a fantastic way to experience the gentle rolling hills and the patchwork of green and gold fields. You can cycle as little or as much as you want, creating your own perfect island tour. 5. North Cape and Windmills. Drive to the northwestern tip of the island to experience the raw power of nature at North Cape. This is the point where the Northumberland Strait meets the Gulf of St. Lawrence, creating dramatic and constantly shifting coastal scenery. The area is famous for its rugged sandstone reefs that extend far out into the water. A highlight is seeing the impressive wind farm, with rows of towering white wind turbines dotting the coastline. The Atlantic Wind Test Site offers a self-guided walking tour to learn about this renewable energy source. It is a fascinating mix of natural wonder and human innovation. The sunsets here are absolutely spectacular. 6. Points East Coastal Drive. Take a road trip along the Points East Coastal Drive, a scenic route that follows the island's eastern shoreline. This is a quieter, less traveled part of PEI, offering stunning views of rolling farmlands, charming fishing harbors, and white sand beaches. A must-stop is the Point Prim Lighthouse, built in 1845, which is the oldest lighthouse on PEY and Canada's only round brick lighthouse. You will also find the famous Singing Sands at Basin Head Provincial Park, where the sand squeaks under your feet. As you drive, keep an eye out for lobster traps stacked on wharves and the iconic red cliffs that line the shore. This drive captures the untamed and authentic spirit of the island. 7. Thunder Cove Beach. For a truly Instagram-worthy photo, head to Thunder Cove Beach. This spectacular stretch of coastline is famous for its dramatic red sandstone cliffs, sculpted by wind and waves into stunning pillars and sea stacks. The most famous formation is the Teacup Rock, a rock pedestal that resembles a giant teacup. It is a popular spot for sunset, when the golden light makes the red sandstone glow. You can explore the beach at low tide to see the unique rock formations up close. The waves crashing against the cliffs create a thunderous sound, giving the beach its name. It is a powerful and photogenic spot that you will not forget. 8. Stompin Tom Center and Music. Celebrate the legacy of Canadian folk legend, Stompin Tom Connors, at the Stompin Tom Center in the town of Skinner's Pond. This museum celebrates the life and music of the singer who wrote Bud the Spud and the hockey song. You can see his original stomping board, his guitars, and personal memorabilia. The center also hosts live performances, keeping his musical spirit alive. The island has a vibrant music scene, and you can also catch toe-tapping traditional Celtic music at lively kitchen parties or a Friday night ceilidh, pronounced ceilidh, at the Irish Hall in Charlottetown. Experiencing the local music is a wonderful way to connect with the island's culture. 9. A taste of the island. A trip to PEI is not complete without a classic lobster feast. You can enjoy lobster rolls and fresh-caught seafood at beloved shacks like Richard's Fresh Seafood. For a truly authentic experience, Choirsterstana ia Sanchikashios attend a traditional lobster supper in North Rustico or New Glasgow. These all-you-can-eat community meals are an island tradition. You can also sample local oysters, mussels, and creamy PEI potato chowder. The Charlottetown Farmers Market is a fantastic place to taste artisanal cheese, fresh baked goods, and other local treats. Eating fresh, simple, delicious seafood by the water is the taste of Prince Edward Island. 10. Confederation Bridge. Finally, no visit is complete without marveling at the engineering wonder that connects PEI to the mainland. The Confederation Bridge is the longest bridge in the world, spanning ice-covered waters and stretching an incredible 12.9 kilometers from Borden Carleton, PEI, to Cape Juramaine, New Brunswick. You can drive across the massive concrete structure, which offers stunning views across the Northumberland Strait. There is a visitor center on the PEI side where you can learn about the construction of this marvel. Taking the bridge is a memorable arrival or departure, a grand gateway to the island's many charms. It is a spectacular symbol of connection and a fitting final sight.